UMLA ka Trinamool Congress na songsak ubadeiru nongïalam kaliang persya jong ka yeng darbar thawain ka jalau Dr Mukul sangma ulapan pau ya ka Sheptieng yo kidu no ka jingshanniah ha ka baide ba ka jingtmu ban khot sakami je kren ya ka kanun New Trap National Liberation Council halor ka jingsha khot hajir ki nongïalam ka te kanun ha ka NIA ya ka new Dr Mukul sangma ulapan pau ha bakren berkilat thai khubor hadian balawai ka jelang ka 17 no Trinamool Congress block jong kilong kmi ya ka balapan long ha Arvindo Hall.
We also wanted to see during our time, okay, is the leadership of HNLC really committed, or will HNLC also, like what we have seen with NBC, land up in that kind of situation? So we needed to have a real in-depth studies and understanding, and therefore we took time. It's good thing that now, after having that whole long drawn in-depth analysis and understanding, the government agreed to engage them in this political dialogue. It is good. But the way it is being done, I'm afraid it will have reasons to create that lack of trust. You see, lack of trust is, very, very, I must say, these are recipe for future problem of similar nature. Therefore, government has to be very serious. Government must come clean on what was the terms and conditions which were inked in those conditions to proceed ahead with this political settlement through this political negotiation. Why has the government not been, if not, ensure that this kind of hiccup shall not emerge and create this kind of suspicion, doubt, lack of trust? Therefore, the government must take up with Government of India, because in any event when we want to engage with any of the proscribed organization or banned terrorist organization, Government of India's note is required. The state government alone cannot decide. You see, that was one of the calls that the state government had to take during our time, because this engagement has always been collective, involving both the state and the union government. And therefore, have the state failed to ensure that the Government of India is on board in as far as these conditions are concerned, I am questioning the government. Have they not taken the Government of India on board pertaining to these small, minute details which can be a factor to create the kind of dislocation which we are apprehensive of, given the kind of situation that we are seeing? All the cases that are filed against the members of the organization must be over a period of time withdrawn after the negotiation tax settlement is signed. Didn't we do that? I'm afraid these are precursors to create that kind of lack of trust and confidence. Lack of trust, even when you build a family between husband and wife, you know what happens when there's a lack of trust. So similarly in the society, government must have the reasons to believe that whatever policy decision they take, whatever measures they embark upon, pertaining to any issue, pertaining to any related, whether contentious or non-contentious, it must indicate seriousness, honesty and integrity of achieving those intents.